Hi Sparkle Kitties. I am Tina the friendly tiger and I roar. Come with me to the jungle to meet my friends. Let's go. This is my friend Manny the monkey. Manny likes to swing on trees and makes chatter sounds. Now make chatter sounds like Manny. Good job. This is my friend Lily the elephant. Lily has big ears, long trunks, and likes to trumpet. Now trumpet like Lily the elephant. Good job. This is my friend Alfred the alligator. Alfred has a wide snout and sharp teeth. Alfred says growl. Now growl like Alfred. Good job. This is my friend Simon the snake. Simon has a long tongue, crawls and says hiss. Now hiss like Simon. Good job. This is my friend Barney the big bear. Barney is big, hairy, and says growl. Now growl like Big Barney. Good job. Meet my friend Gina the tall giraffe. Gina has a long neck and says grunt. Now grunt like Gina. Good job. Meet my friend Rico the rhino. Rico has a sharp pointy nose and growls. Now growl like Rico. Good job. Meet my friend Leo the lion. Leo the lion is the king of the jungle. Leo has a big beard and says roar. Now roar like Leo. Good job. Meet my friend Gabe the gorilla. Gabe the gorilla likes to beat his chest and says roar. Now beat your chest and roar like Gabe. Good job. Meet my friend Happy the hippo. Happy is large with a big nose and says grunt. Now grunt like Happy the hippo. Good job. Let's go back to all we have learned about jungle animals. Monkey, elephant, alligator, snake, bear, giraffe, rhino, lion, gorilla, hippo. Thank you for watching with us at Sparkle Kitties. Kindly subscribe to our channel and click like if you enjoyed this video. See you later.
In our next video, we are going to the farm with Kobe the cow to introduce us to farm animal